Hey, welcome back to the channel, and we are back with another rack store pickup. And today I was able to find a really new designer release, anticipated designer release at my local Burlington. The fact that they had this, I was blown away. I couldn't believe I already saw it at discounters. And this is one that you guys have mentioned in the comments, asking me to try this one, asking me if I've tried it, my thoughts on it. So I'm excited to finally try it here. I've never smelled it before. The scent we are talking about is Coach Green. I'm a fan of the Coach line. Coach Platinum is probably my favorite from the line. I like the original as well. There's just something about Platinum that stands out to me. It could be that pineapple note in there. Really addictive, really nice, mass-pleasing scent. So I've heard nothing but good things about this one. I don't know any specific details, notes, and that type of thing. I'm not sure about. And I never really thought that I would end up grabbing this one. I don't know why. It's kind of flown under my radar a bit. The fact that I saw it already at a Burlington, I picked up the 40 ml here for $34.99. And as I said, this is a 2023 release, so I'm sure at some point there is something rattling around in there that's making me a little bit nervous. We'll see when I bust this open. But there's just, this one is probably going to be found at a better price once it hits discounters. It may have hit discounters already. I'm not sure. I'll be sure to link it down below if I can find it on a discount. But yeah, let's bust this open like I always do. I'm going to try it on strip, see what I pick up, try it on skin, see how much it changes, and then ultimately let you guys know if this is going to live up to the hype. Coach Green, let's get into it. Yes, of course. I forgot about the little sort of leather hang tag that is on the Coach bottles here. So that's what was rattling around inside of the box. So this scent, first of all, I'm not crazy about the smaller bottles. They just, they don't look that great in the collection. But, for the most part, this is really all I need. I don't need a bigger bottle. So to have a bigger bottle is really just for aesthetic reasons on my shelves, basically to look good. But let's take a look at the atomizer. So an okay atomizer, it doesn't really feel like it depresses too much when you push. Okay, so in the air already, this is a pleasant smell. So let's see what Coach Green has. It's fruity, fresh, shower jelly type vibe. Very similar to the OG, at least in the air. Okay, so really fresh, juicy freshness up top. Slight spice. Very pleasant fruitiness. This is actually reminding me of one of my favorite blue fragrances. I know Coach Green, and I am picking up some green notes here, but it reminds me slightly of Missoni Parfum Pour Homme. One of my favorite fragrances. Incredible value for that scent. This is right there with it. Fresh, aromatic, a little bit woody, a little bit sweet. Shower gel type vibe, but it also has this sort of greenness to it, and it's spicy, herbal slightly, maybe a mint. This is really nice off of the strip. I can't wait to get this on skin. Very pleasantly surprised by this. The quality is there. I'm impressed by the quality as well. Man, this is just kind of doing everything right. Clean, fresh, a little bit sweet, mass appealing, but it's not harsh. It's not rough around the edges. It doesn't smell overly synthetic. Really well done. And as those two aforementioned fragrances, the OG and Platinum, they don't smell as smooth as this one. Let me get this on skin, and I will take a look at the notes and see what is in here. The notes for Coach Green, top notes are kiwi and bergamot. Mid notes are rosemary and geranium, and the base notes are cedar and moss. So that combination of that rosemary, that geranium, where I'm probably getting some of that mintiness from, is that herbal sort of greenness that I was picking up. I wouldn't have been able to pick out specifically rosemary. But kiwi, interesting note, sweet, really nice, fruity. Let's see what this does on skin. Okay, so off of skin, that kiwi stands out. This is really good. I am really surprised how much I'm liking this so far. That opening is excellent. That fruity kiwi, it is concentrated. It almost is a little syrupy. Then you have those sort of cleaner notes coming out. The geranium, the rosemary, adding this sort of spicy freshness to it. A little bit of herbal greenness. This is really pleasant. It's a really nice take on a mass-pleasing fragrance. So it's going to remind you of things like, I don't want to say it smells like, but it's going to remind you a bit of like a Dior Sauvage. It's doing something different, and I can't quite put my finger on it. Maybe some vetiver in here. It has this smooth grassiness to it. It's a little bit earthy. This is great. I was not expecting this. You guys did mention to me in comments on other videos that you really enjoyed this scent. I was not expecting this. I am pleasantly surprised by Coach Green. I don't know what type of longevity I'm going to have from this. My guess is if it's anything like the other two that I mentioned, probably moderate longevity, just around average. I don't really get full day's performance from them. So I'd be curious to see what this does. Projection wise, I'm picking it up in the air right now, but as I always do, I am going to wear this week and talk about it in my weekly wears video, which airs every single Monday on YouTube. So be sure to subscribe to the channel if that is content that you want to see more of. This is great. Was not expecting this at all. But I've never been really disappointed by Coach fragrances. I just thought, you know, the name is a little lackluster. It's a little uninspired, Coach Green. It just seemed like kind of a throwaway scent. I don't know why. I don't know why I perceived it as such. And as I said, 40 mLs for $34.99. I'm happy with that. I don't need much more than 40 mLs. And to me, that's a fair price. It's, you know, still cheapy territory. And yeah, this is good stuff. Definitely going to wear this and let you guys know more about it. But as always, let me know in the comment section down below what your experience is with Coach Green. Have you tried it? Is it one that you'd like to try? I'm really digging this one. It's nice. I'm curious to see what my wife thinks of this one. I think she's going to like this. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.